so much. I had a blast, man. I had an awesome time. I'm really happy that I came. Made a quick little stop, but now Dallas is next. Made a little stop at this resting area. I think I am in the middle of Louisiana. I have no idea where I'm at right now, but 5 hours to go before I get to Dallas. Before me and Quavo get to Dallas. When you see this little guy, he's definitely gonna he's definitely gonna jump on you. Just don't get him too excited because he'll pee on you. Come on, boy. We gotta get moving. Damn, she look good. She look good. So far in this trip, I have driven 1,182 miles. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. But I said in the last video that if I pass 2,000 miles in this trip, I thought the trip was gonna be 1,500 miles, but after all this driving and going to Dallas, spending a couple days in Dallas, driving around there, and then going to Houston, blah, blah, I said, if I pass 2,000 miles, you guys gotta think of a punishment. I gotta do that punishment, man. So I've been averaging 19 miles per gallon. And that's all in 6th gear on the highway, just chilling. Still in Louisiana though. Getting closer, guys. 4 hours left. Getting closer, getting close. We are about to enter Texas in the Mustang. Oh man. Coming into Texas. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Quavo, we in Texas, boy. Oh, he knocked out. You happy that we're in Dallas? Yeah? Look at that smile. Look at my boy.
Going through there.
I think back.
There you go.
Yeah. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it. No, you don't have to, but you can film it. Oh. Signature yet.
You think you gonna boost it, baby?
We gonna boost it. Oh damn, man. Okay, I like that. What's up, dude? What's good? What's good? What's up, man? What's up? It's over there. Bro, what's good? No, yeah. I wanna leave. No, okay. No, come on. I'm saying this kind. I'm saying something like this. Yeah.
The GTR.
Let's go check it out. Yeah. For sure, for sure. A video would be dope though. A video would
Yeah,
be
he'll
dope.
take all the shots for you. Remember I showed you this?